Hello friend, welcome to Genius Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by defending best and better prove your products differentiation. So let's start my video. Product marketing strategy articles. Scott Jones. This article is based on Scott Jones' talk at the Product Marketing Summit in San Francisco as a PMA member. You can enjoy the complete recording here. How do you create a tangible, concrete, and confidable? Always to describe your product's differentiated capabilities. It's a question I've been focused on for the last 25 years as a product marketer and one that can turn potential customers into loyal advocates. My name is Scott Jones, and I am currently the SVP of Marketing at Agent Sign. At my core, I am a PMM. I've launched hundreds of solutions, worked with incredible companies, and worn many hats from founder and developers to pre-sales engineer and product manager. But what excites me most in the process understanding the entire journey from solution design, thought to marketing and sales. Over the year, I seen what metric rise about above all the others. Win rate, it's the ultimate measure of great product marketing and force that matter great go to market strategy. If you have got well positioned, well massaged solutions supported by strong demand, marketing, and a well equipped sales team, you're going to see results. So, today I am going to give you the tools to differentiate your products, increase your win rate by 10% quarter over quarter, and ultimately become a better product marketer. So let's get into it. What drives change in B2B buyers to win the hearts and minds of future customers? You need to understand why they would make a change in the first place, because change is hard psychologically speaking. Swear wired to resist it, whether it's survival instinct or confirmation bias is shaking with the status quo often feels suffer. But here's the things, without a compelling reason to change, nothing happens, and when nothing happens, opportunities stall, decisions delayed, and deals. And with the ban of my assistance to decision, as product marketers, it's our job to overcome that resistance. We do it by showing how our solution is just different but better, tangible, quantifiable differentiation gives customers the confidence to leave the status quo behind and move forward with you. And in a B2B environment, the decision to change always comes down to financial outcomes or become drivers. I've identified four key reasons why a B2B organization would make a change. More for less, better outcomes with less investment. The organizations want to boost both their top line and bottom line. In other words, they want their cake and to eat it. To this is where most customers start. More for the same, better outcomes with the same investment. They are looking to achieve more without increasing time, effort, or resources. It's all about increasing productivity or output primarily, driving top line growth. More for more better account outcomes with more investment. You typically see this only in organizations that are expanding into new markets and are willing to spend more to make more. These are golden opportunities if you find them. Go after them. The same for less, the same outcomes with less investments. These customers are focused on efficiency and cost savings. Often they start out wanting more for less, but realize their priority is to save money. What are you really competing against? To truly differentiate your product, you need to understand what you're being compared against. After all, differentiation don't exist in a vacuum. It's always a comparison. In B2B settings, there are three main competitors to consider. 1. The status quo. How do you see your solution improve upon their existing way of doing things? The status quo is often manual error prone and heavily reliant on people. It might seem familiar to your customer, but it's rarely efficient. 2. Internal development. Can you beat an in house team building a custom solution? Well, internal development can be quick to market. It's typically expensive to maintain, lacks ongoing innovation, and eventually gets deprioritized. 3. Alternative wonders. How do you stack up against your direct competitors? Most product marketers focus here from the start, but don't underestimate the competition from init area or internal solutions. Your job is to show your solution. Instead, just another option is it's the better choice. The more clearly you can demonstrate this, the easier it becomes for your customers to see why moving forward with UC. Become a member to see the rest. You're landed on a piece of content that's exclusive to members. Members have access to templates, real world presentations, events, reports, salary calculators, and more. Not yet a member? Sign up for free. Sign up, see all plans. Already a member sign in. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।